Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Knuckles from the new Sonic the Hedgehog movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Knuckles from Sonic 2, let's begin with his face. We'll start right here on the eyes. So we'll begin by drawing a line that's going to go down. And then we're going to come up and back like this. Next we'll draw a little line that's going to go down. And then we'll come back like this. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across, and then we'll just curve this up. This one will just kind of come down, and then we'll bring it over to here. Right here, I'll make a little line that comes down, and then another line that comes up. Do the same thing here, a little line that comes down, and then one that comes up. And inside of it, we'll make a tall, skinny oval for the pupil in each one. Right here, I'm going to make a little bit of like a sad face. And then right underneath the eye, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. Same thing here, we're just going to come across, we're going to go out, and then down. Next I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we'll bring it right up to here. For his nose, I'm just going to make a little bit of a sad face, with a line that just kind of comes down and then up, almost like a little bit of an upside down triangle shape. And I like coloring most of it, leaving a little bit white for some reflection. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up and then back down. And then we'll make a little line that's going to come across. Now starting here, we'll draw a little line that comes up on each side. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrow. And we'll do that same thing here. Let's just go up and then bring it down a little bit. Then I'm also going to add an extra little line that comes up on each side. Now he's got these kind of like big ears on each side. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next, I'm going to bring it out, and then it's going to come in. Next, I'm going to bring a line that comes down. We're going to go to a point, we're going to go out, and then we're going to bring it in. Next, we're going to bring this line up. It's going to come nice and tall, and instead of connecting to this line, I'm actually going to go past it and bring it down here. Now starting here, let's draw a little line that comes down. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down at an angle. Right here we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come straight down for his leg. We'll make a little line across, then we'll come up and go back. We'll make a little line here. And this time we'll draw a line that's going to go straight down. It's going to come just a little bit farther down than this leg. We'll go over, and then we'll just bring it up here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up to about here. Starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around. We're going to come up and in. This one will kind of do the same thing. We'll go down, over, and then we'll bring it up. For a shoe, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to curve it down. Bring this over, and then I'm going to go up and down. and I'll connect it to here. So he's got like these big boots on. This one I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We'll make a line that's going to curve up and down. Make a line that's going to go over and then connect to here. Next we'll draw a line that comes down, and we'll just kind of redraw that same shape. Do the same thing here. We'll go down, over, and then bring it up. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, and then we'll draw another one here. Make a line that goes up, over, and then down. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to curve down, and then we're going to bring it back. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and we'll come up to here. Make a line that goes out to a point, we'll come back, and then we'll curve it around. And I left it just a little bit open there. Do that same thing here, we'll go out to a point, come back, and we'll curve it around, just leave it a little bit open. Right here I'm going to draw this line that's going to curve around, and we'll come down to here. And I'm going to make another little line right here. Now over here, let's draw two little lines that come down. Make a line that's going to go up, it's going to go over, down, and then we'll come back and connect it. Kind of like a little bit of like a crazy looking rectangle shape. This one I'm going to come down, and then we'll make that big point. Next we'll go down, we'll bring it up and in just a little bit. Then we'll make a line that's going to come down, and then we'll just curve it around. Make a little curved line here, and then we'll make another point with a curve, and we'll leave just a little bit open. Now for his tail. We're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and come up, and another one's going to go down and up. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that comes up here just to kind of show where more of like his little hair and stuff is in the back. Now, right here on his chest, let's add a little line that's going to go down and up, and then one more. Down and then up. For his shoes, I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and it's going to come up. And this one I'm just going to draw two lines that come down. Then we'll make a line that comes down here and a line that comes down here. And there you go, there's your drawing of Knuckles from the new Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.